Hello, this is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, Indiana, and I'm here today to show you a pre-owned 2015 Chrysler 200S. This vehicle has only had one owner. It has front fog lamps. It's still underneath the factory warranty. It has heated front driver's seat and passenger, and along with heating steering wheel. You do have dual exhaust, and you do have a power tailgate with some extra floor mats and a lot of room for storage. The tires do have a lot of tread lip on them. You have very clean leather interior, enough room to fit all your passengers. You have your power locks and windows, your power driver's seat. You have your Bluetooth and your cruise control. This vehicle only has around about 25,000 miles. Your radio is touchscreen. You have your air and heat controls along with your shifter. This vehicle is very loaded. This is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, and today I was showing you a pre-owned 2015 Chrysler 200S.